mean person today. Oh.
Easy beat me and come today. Says he be like South Africa man. What's up?
You ready your glasses?
Anyway, una welcome on top of the night show for today. Person, you sabi say person you get program this weekend on Friday. You sabi
25th.
25th. And Christmas in September. 25th of December in Christmas in September. For those of you who in Lagos now for Igbe phone, somewhere it's for Igbe for now the range check
yes,
happen. Anyway, una welcome to the night show for today. My name is Nanedu _of me Katim and Easy Beat. I will say the owner of Monday.
Yes.
The owner of Monday done there around to take for handle share some things. Mrs. Albert, she's there already. Albert Love Live. Albert Love Live.
Make she tell us Albert love language.
Now, Albert, what be Albert love language?
What do we like to do?
See, she's blushing.
You know, say Albert supposed to come do fumigation last week.
Hey!
Now he don't come.
He don't come.
One?
He tell Big Bash, say, he won't come just to clean the house.
Clean the house.
Clean the house. See, clean the house. Why not come now?
You be like say no get all the fumigation.
And you don't cook the weight.
No, be say now fumigation won't come tonight.
Now,
you be like say no get
outside
all
now.
You come back, cook the weight.
No, go sit outside. Make breeze go dey blow.
You don't get all the fumigant so you won't use, can't do the fumigation.
But you don't bath, don't cook the weight.
No, fumigation, you don't need to bath now because
No,
the
you
place
go back now, sit down for outside. Make that fumigation something, you no go smell on top of your body.
So you not bath,
say
cook
thank
weight for
God to
that.
me. You think say them born us just yesterday?
So wait, you look us now.
I don't know. You see a whole me,
You see-
a whole Nedu.
You see Easy Beach, you see mark for our face. You see any mark for our face?
I don't know.
He tell us, say, no, he can just come fumigate house. Meanwhile, he talk, say, he won't come fumigate.
you know, say
Come
na
clean
voluntary
the house.
fumigation.
Yeah.
Na voluntary fumigation. No be-
So if na voluntary, we didn't say you not tell him make it come. Why you come the one he say you not come?
I don't know.
In our Wabiati. Anyway, una welcome on top of the show. We dey ask una today before we start the show.
Two questions.
Two simple questions.
Yes.
Two.
Just two.
Just two simple questions. Why it be say na only for night then they say suya?
Bam. Number one, I don't know. Number two.
Why it be say na only Friday then they wear native?
Bam. Number two. Now pick up your pen, your stylus, or your fingertips and type your answer.
Type it and send it on top Twitter.
Yes. A W Night Show.
And then if you get credit for your phone now, our phone numbers go there on top of your TV.
Yes.
Just they call us. Please tell us the difference. Why then they say suya only for night?
Only.
What if I want chop suya in the morning?
I don't know. 9 a.m.
What if I want chop or afternoon? I want to chop suya. Why?
You go there, the suya seller don't close. Everywhere is dry. Anyeke Anthony Mecheta say this question no be here. The suya I think say now because now waiting guys and guests they chop before they collabo. They don't know what collabo mean. You know, say that night it happened. My brother, I don't know something.
So what you kind of say suya now part of relationship
or collaborative.
collaborative. Anyway, we go back small chicken break. When we come back, we will continue it with Bumi Oni HR experts. We will discuss workplace stress.
How to deal with
How
it.
to deal with workplace stress. Now today now we go finish
Yes.
But when we come back, tell us first of all why it be saying only for night then they say suya, and why it be saying only Friday go say they go no na Friday na native.
Yes.
Why you not do native on Monday?
I don't know. You know, say if me and you put them for song, you know, say we go blow because those are rhymes and rhythms.
Do the drama, say.
No, go market, come back.
More go market, come back. When we come back, we will continue it. 1, 2, 3. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a Friday? Then they wear native.
Why is it a night? Then they say suya.
Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a Friday? Then they wear native. My leg on the
It's okay.
Who did it come? Come in there. Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they say woo. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they woo. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Then they wear native. Why is it a night? Woo. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why is it a night? Come on. Why is it a night? Then they say suya. Why?
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
We love you.
We all love you. We hope you enjoy the song. The song, watch out for the song. In the next 2 weeks,
We are
it will be
iTunes.
on
iTunes. iTunes don't fool.
Yes, the title of the song is called Why. That is it.
In case you don't forget the song, let us sing it for you. Why if you say na night, then they say suya. Why? Why if you say na night, then they say suya. The second one. Why if you say na Friday, then they wear native. Please watch out for this song.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Not for though.
They cut scene, they do like this.
Hey, you see your life now. You see her. Stand up.
I must cut scene.
Let me help you. Let me help.
We love you.
Anyway, people now welcome back. Hey, man, that thing not easy. Hey. I nearly tear my clothes out. Mo go break. Nedu, it's okay.
You don't hear?
I nearly tear them.
Mo go break.
Mo go break again.
Will they come back?
Who they come?
What do you talk about today? Say workplace stress. Oh, this is not relieving of
Oh, we
stress.
don't come back. We don't come back. Sorry, don't forget. We don't come back. Hey, but me, I know back to you.
Workplace stress.
Hey, now. You see the dance where we just dance now. Now how to manage stress.
No, you do exercise.
Hey, see, they on. Make I on and be cool.
You did?
No, a whole you when the shout say they cold.
My sister.
Okay, make I on more than
Go on
one.
more than. On only two. On see.
Two A6.
Don't two AC. Don't on more than two.
Two A6.
Oh yeah, continue, Bumi Oni. Over to you.
And now the dance where we just dance now.
Okay.
You know, say last week we say make you track your stressor.
Okay.
If you be say you know they dance.
Okay. Track that thing where they make
When
you.
they make you,
Where they make you
they
stressful.
when you feel say tension don't dey rise, you know, you suppose know wetin dey cause that tension for body. You know, be say you go just assume.
No.
Some people know they know. So now that thing you can't attack that thing.
Exactly. If it be one thing, if it be different things.
If na babe where the office where they
But if
disturb
you
you.
go to do attack him, attack it, attack.
It's my family. The thing that but why did I always that?
No, the one when they treat people and the shaking of head.
Continue. If na spiritual one with that, then you go to and attack it. Ever back way.
On top say the day stress.
You
double stress.
Double
Because some
stress.
people think say, okay, if I reach house now, my stress go. Not be so now. You supposed to track the thing where they stress you.
Okay.
You get message.
Hey, message full everywhere. But Genevieve, oh boy, they do sabi sang. Well, hey.
You don't know it's a talent.
So your man they say for night because now for night where the aroma they go round. People they purchase some more for night. Now daytime thing they sweet. Now nighttime sweet. That time then sweet things they sweet pass. My sister, you are evil. Only God know what you do for night too. You do sweet pass. Nighttime thing they sweet pass. And then Obiora, if I can say for native matter, now people just choose Friday to showcase their native clothes. Then people wear native on Friday because the last day of the working week, and also to symbolize realization from the week stress.
Now you say this person don't define another way to manage work stress.
And then for Kano, you fit buy suya anytime. One place where they call Suya Villa.
My brother,
I know that place for Kano. Then Suya na snacks.
Like popcorn.
Is it a snacks? Where they're suitable for only the night time?
They're suitable only at night. And you get only to the show your off cultural attire. Una choose Friday. Suya na night food because of the pepper.
The pepper they relax somewhere.
Hey, Mohammed Farouk. Is it now because of the pepper? If it spoil your day, if you take up during daytime.
Oh, God.
Hey, our Twitter people, una too much.
We love Buddha. We love Buddha. Chris Otomoto, Faustina. Today now your wife Faustina birthday.
Faustina, happy birthday.
Happy birthday from all of us here.
Easy beat or can do. Solo, all the K we get. From us, happy birthday to Faustina.
Solo go hola.
No, one day automotos kill him. We still like our K-Solo. Have a break, bro.
One time.
Continue.
You go develop healthy responses. You know, say when you're under stress, when the tension don't rise. Some people they like to abuse maybe alcohol.
Yeah.
They like to smoke. Fine, it go calm you down for that time where you take calm. But after, if not the method where you choose to they calm stress down, after if you become
liability
alcohol,
onto you.
You become they abuse the alcohol, even the cigarette safe, come they abuse them. Some
How
people
about suya?
because of the pepper.
Because of the pepper during the day, it goes spoil. If you enter your head,
So you're gonna chop the suya for night. You go they calm your stress down. Can't take beer. Manage them. The stress go just come down.
are you talking from experience?
No, did you?
Please, she's a very observant HR person. Please.
Yes.
Oh, now HR expert. I don't forget saying HR expert. Continue.
So they say make you develop healthy responses. Maybe say you go the exercise. You know, like that dance where you dance now. That performance.
No, now that song I will go launch them very soon.
Very
Very
that
soon.
one now way to calm stress.
Okay.
Then people where they say signs of work stress, be depression at times. Then some people they don't know how to manage depression. They could just they chop fast food. So to develop healthy response for those kinds of things, you go exercise, eat healthy
You know how
food.
you gonna chop? You say idiot. They won't kill me for that. Of it got punish them. Idiot. Their father.
Before they kill me, make I kill them. Father, give me money. Give me 2 extra more money.
Go punish
Go
them.
punish them. Before they kill me, I will kill them. When I'm a beg, bring 2 eba. I'm going to for an egg. We didn't go buy eba. Then egg go there for inside the soup. You never see. I don't say for our canteen.
I bet who be the
I don't say for and what of these workers? What of these workers? These
Narelli people.
Narelli workers. The guy buy eba. Semo that day buy egusi soup. Same man give an egg, 2 eggs. Not be play.
But now protein.
Not
You know they say 1 egg a day.
They
But
didn't
na
say 2
carbohydrates.
be filled.
They say 1 egg.
One egg.
Just 1
But na
egg.
carbohydrates.
You never try. Maybe meat no dey. You never try that thing. Nah, my guy don't do it before. He go enter canteen. So he go dey chop food. Now one babe when they trip for come enter inside canteen. Now without na in order for no meat. So na apple 6 to 6, now you order. Now, make the babe no come. Enter, come see, say, meat.
No day.
See, so you know they buy meat. Now in, just carry one, I could do a quick. Come cover, you soup cover and you put up one. Then they get cause here. So because you saw me coming, you have eaten the meat. So he can't hold them for more, they talk. You know, so I put they melt. That's why the thing melt. Why you are meat now? You don't swallow them. Continue.
Make you know, so when you're under stress, you know, go they sleep well. So they say make you try to they sleep. And to they sleep well, you know, go take caffeine. Most times, people, they do that mistake.
No, it hard. They
go say,
because when they live for those kind of places, them, you know they drink any coffee.
You know, say...
So some of them, no be...
Most people, they get carried away.
Okay.
Say, okay, make I quick finish this work. Sleep down, you will can't take coffee, maybe like that kind 4, 5. The caffeine no go make you sleep. So even if you come off for work,
you go see the
No, now be say the person mind no strong. You get some people drink coffee for night, you climb your bed.
You know those guys sleep when they all those guys sleep when they've sent from village. No matter. If you like, drink 1 carton of coffee. You know, that one means I will carry my cheese. Put for eye to hold it.
That's how you go minimize stimulating activities like those kind coffee, you know, caffeine, you go reduce them. Then they say most times, make you try to remove your mind from work when you want sleep. Fine, it depends on how you fuse your...
My sister, again,
how you fuse your work with your...
You're not going to remove mind from work when you want sleep, and especially when you get what you want to submit to the next day. You don't deadline.
You know, even sleep.
That one, you go prioritize. It's part of managing work stress. You suppose they prioritize. See, some things they will be say should do. Some things be say must do. But some people, they go pack all the tasks together.
Should, must.
Should, must.
You can, could.
At the end of the day, they don't go achieve anything. So they can't do under pressure. If they can't carry that kind of thing, some people carry the work, go house. You don't go sleep now because you get deliverable for the following day. So if you can't do those kind of things repeatedly, sake of say you want meet up and all, it go cause work stress. And if you know manage them well, it go become chronic stress. Where we say the person go get headache, insomnia, not to the sleep, it go come master the person body. And waiting people don't understand, we say if you're under stress continuously, you don't go day productive.
Yes.
You don't go day productive.
Everywhere, physically, spiritually, mentally, and
everything. You know those things where they write for CV. Goals and objectives.
I can work minimally under less supervision.
I can work under pressure.
Oh, yes.
Yes. You know,
that one, always every CV.
When you see Suleiman for this company, he go tell you, you say, well, how are you? You say, I'm just tired. You say, what did you write for your CV? You can work under minimum.
Minimum supervision.
You don't know when you write and say, don't worry, I can do everything.
I can work under pressure.
I can do work Saturday, Sunday, everywhere.
So, the kind, if you do under pressure, chronic or maybe short term, you don't go day productive if you don't manage it very well.
Okay.
Okay. Then they say make you take time. You know, at times, some people, when they come off from work, they go carry their laptop.
Yes.
As they reach house,
Then go
all the mails where they no reply.
They go begin, yes.
Now, so they can't see one mail where upsets them. Can't they see, how I go reply this person? 2 a.m., he go still day up. 4:30, he go come up for house. Because he won't come VI.
The big traffic.
So he no go sleep. Then some of them, they go they chop. Still they respond to mails as they chop. They take phone call. You know, you get time where you go set boundaries. So you say you go shut down. If you shut down very well, your brain relax. You sleep.
True.
The following day, before you know it, waiting they take you like 4 or 5 hours to do. In 1 hour, you go finish pamper because everything don't rest. It don't shut down. The brain self don't there, right? It don't reboot himself. But if you continue to stress the brain, you know, relax, you know, calm down.
You get stress the brain, yeah?
Your ending don't know.
That one fuse don't blow. Fuse go just blow.
So he said, number 3, make you take time to take charge. Take time to recharge yourself. Now you say, take time off. Go for vacation. You know, leave. Now some company where they say, they go say, come go on leave. They go say, I no go.
How many months leave I get now?
You suppose get like
3 months or 4 months.
Ah, no.
It is 3 months though.
Which kind of 3 months? You don't go live before.
I know they go live plenty.
Eh?
Now, you know many
So
workers
you dey put yourself under stress now.
Katim no now.
He know say in the under stress. They see red.
That dance where you dance now, that performance,
It don't.
it don't relieve the work stress. It's supposed to be say, when we know day,
you suppose just
no Katim one buy leave. If you know anybody will get leave to
when
sell.
they say,
Please.
Is it with your leave? It's
No.
This is a very stingy person. I may buy this.
In fact, the next leave I want go 2 months.
Phew. We'll go together.
We'll go together.
Then we'll
go to the
become
Bahamas.
show.
Or we'll go meet Sly for Italy. No, Sly go spoil us for Italy. Go spoil us for Italy. No, we'll go Malaysia, go meet Cindy.
What in be that man when call us from Switzerland?
Switzerland, that Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi.
We'll meet Ifeanyi for. Oh, we'll go Patata for Germany.
Okay. But fit tell us.
Okay, for here now we'll go back small checking break. When we come back, we'll go begin taking a phone calls. Don't forget, the first thing we'll first talk when they start the show. Wetin make them they sell suya only for night? And why it be say na only Friday people they wear native?
And why it be say na only night time they sell akara?
They sell in the morning
and
too.
Dundu.
And me and Katim and Easy Beat, we don't release a song,
Yes.
a hit track.
Why?
Why? Before the end of the show, we'll give you a special performance.
Then you can find it on WeTunes after some time.
For that performance, our video vixen, Bash, Sharply, all of them will be here to
all
bounce
of them.
to the song.
Because they holler back.
When they come back, we'll begin taking a phone call.
Hey.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.